everybody. Here we are again.
Day 2.
What day is it? Day 2. On day 2. And we decided we taught the kids in, didn't we, Neil? What we taught the kids into doing?
No, the kids talked us into it.
Yeah.
They said they really want to do CBeebies.
Well, that's the Treetop Walk. Where is it? It's not that way. Because that says the Treetop Walk. Oh, no, that's the Treetop Adventure.
That's technically what it's called.
This one.
There we go. We're going on that one. Harry, why are we doing this one, Neil?
Because Cody was begging, saying, please, 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 I want to go on the Treetop Adventure.
I don't want to do it.
She don't want to do it.
Because when they were little, we always just sat.
Yeah, so.
Look, mechanics are on it. It looks like it's closed.
You have to see the view around. Hopefully
Look,
it's
mechanics
open.
are on it. Literally, look.
Didn't get on the CBeebies bugs because they were closed. They were doing maintenance, so we come up here. But it looks like the dungeons are closed now, so hopefully they might do some scarecrows. They've got scarecrows starting now, so it'll be good. But it looks like a trick or treat town.
Yeah.
I'll be back. Let's build it, just have to build it now. But CBeebies bugs are closed before a good David Williams.
Yeah.
That's not
And
until 11, so.
yeah, we didn't realise it's open till 11, so.
Aimlessly at them.
Yeah, we don't know what to do at the minute. We might just go 13. Yeah, go 13.
We did spinball again, though, didn't we, on the way?
Yeah, so that was alright. Because you got a half hour, haven't we? Because it's about 10:30, so. Let's go.
How you feeling, Cody?
Nervous.
Good on Rita. Take your sunglasses off.
Why?
Excited?
Because my eyes blocked.
You'll lose them.
No, you don't.
Right, see you in a minute. At the back, this side. There we go, so Cody got the courage and he finally got on Rita. After all the rides you've done this week, you got brave, but you got the courage and got on Rita. So, how was it?
It was really fun. It literally reaches in and pinches your stomach. It just grabs it.
No, it doesn't pinch it. It just
Reaches in and grabs it and turns it.
Reaches in, grabs your stomach and gives it a good old tickle for 2.5
you
seconds.
try not to I try not to scream, and then you can't help it because you're like, ugh, it makes it come out, but you don't want to. Like, ugh, it tickles so much.
But we've brought his picture.
Yeah.
I've seen it. It's hilarious. These two won't see it, so let's see. Let's see.
No, we don't have a video of it and we paused
I'll pop it up. I'll pop it up on the screen. There, you can see it on the screen. Look at that.
Look.
And then I'll pop it up on the screen, so it's easier.
Just show it.
That's hilarious.
You can see.
Yeah,
We've seen.
that is the funniest face I've seen of you on a ride.
Yeah, I love it.
You do it again.
Yeah.
Well done.
I'm doing that tomorrow again.
That's the first time you've been on that. High five, well done. Good job.
the next day.
So we are at Alton Towers today, day 3. We are going to do some rides today. Not sure what we're going to do yet, but we're still going to have a good time.
Let's go.
Woo! This is lovely view though.
Stop. I'm waiting for a very important delivery.
Did you deliver it to him?
Yes. Let me do it for you.
What did he want?
Looks like PC Selby has had to close the road.
Oh, that one was a rain.
Ted Glenn is fixing my
Batman's
special
struggling to get us up the hill.
helicopter.
This is a rain.
Come, man, you can manage it.
Great job. Ted can get on with his repairs now.
Good old Ted.
Thanks to you, Sarah and John.
You've got a delivery. You've got a delivery. Paintbrush.
Check it out.
There you go. On the phone.
Here's Mrs. Goggins sorting out the Greendale mail. She's just waiting for one last letter.
Yeah, we just did Postman Pat for old time's sake. But we wanted to picture, didn't we? But unfortunately, the photo machine weren't working, so we couldn't get it. So, you seem to enjoy delivering all the mail, didn't you?
You know you did. You did. The throwback memories of when they were younger.
I'm not a fan of Pat. Why am I not a fan of Pat?
Because you take his coffee.
No, he took my coffee.
Nah, you took his coffee.
He was in CBeebies Land Hotel, weren't we? And I got up to go and left my coffee there, went to get
And he
some
sat,
breakfast.
Postman Pat, come along, sat in Neil's seat, and he started taking his coffee.
And I'm sat there, waiting.
Yeah.
While he just takes my seat, takes my family, nicks me coffee and all.
Takes your family. He wasn't stealing us. He wasn't. He just
So, yeah.
brought us back.
Me and Pat have got issues. Yeah. Right, we're going to Justin's house now.
I'm going to throw the ball around.
So we're going to Justin's house now, so we're going to have some fun in there and shoot the balls at each other. Someone's already gone in. Quick, Cody's there. Tip him in. Hold the bag. He's got loads. Shoot off. Casey, quick. Quick, watch out, Casey. Ow! 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 Go on, get him, get him. Get him. Stand up, it's done. Stand up. Stand up, you can't see where you're shooting. Get him, get him. There we go. Nothing like a good old family duel in Justin's house, is there?
It was all of you guys you made.
No, weren't. You had your mum on your side.
Yeah, well, she
I weren't very good. Oh, let's be honest. I wasn't very good.
She ended
I
up
kept getting hit in the face.
Casey got you right in the kisser.
like
They did. If you use them end guns, they got so much power in them. Yeah, but they do hurt a little bit. They do.
Didn't mind like, obviously when I ran down to the bottom to get all the balls from the bag, and obviously I was spaced out.
You were sitting duck then?
Yeah, but I was just spaced out where it's the softest part of my body, so I don't mind that bit.
I even gave you 3 shots and you still couldn't hit me. You couldn't. You were missing.
I'm not very good at aiming.
Dad, I remember once I got you right in the kisser.
You did.
That's good fun. We're going to go in as family and just have
It's a
good
chance.
fun.
It's a chance to attack your kids without getting in trouble.
I definitely I just take the kids in there. I just play loads of adults playing. They're throwing balls at each other, throwing balls at the parents.
And it's fun to target a few of the other adults as they're running
It is
across.
fun.
And then I got you right here on the face.
So yeah, go in there. Keep family in there.
Yeah, Connect 4, look.
Try it.
Oh,
Are you sure?
I wouldn't have counted anyway. It was a blue ring. You nearly got on green.
have that one, Cody.
Okay. Smaller than
You got to get it on a same colour cone. Or you got an orange there, so yeah, there's an orange one there. You got to get it on the orange one.
Get it, we'll edit it and make it look like I got it first time, okay?
I ain't going to have enough battery to wait for you to get one on there.
and red. Another red.
Hey, you got one.
Now,
Does that look?
add some sound effects to that.
A drum roll.
Way!
Got it. Hey!
Hey, you think that's clapping, guys? I'm the best here.
That.
You almost dropped it on, Casey.
Casey! Guys, please!
There you go, nature spotting thing. Hey, already robins on there, look. Already see a robin. See loads of them the other day, didn't we? Oh. Suppose they didn't have squirrels on there.
Artistry vibe. Ta-da!
It's a good little area if you've got little kids. Come down
big
for a little
kids.
break.
Oh,
Or
big
your big kids as we have.
I know. I'm enjoying
I was
it.
on about you. I was.
Yeah. I can feel. I don't know what this is.
What's in there?
It's a toy.
Put your hand in, feel.
Toy.
It's gonna be
Tell us what's in there. Let's see. Don't look. But guess what it is? Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's a Lego brick.
It's only kids things. It's not really going to bite you.
Hard to do basics. With 3 balls. Plate spinning. Hold the plate.
I'll start with already spinning it for you.
Follow the way that we can take it and just start off very slow and quicken it up.
You like beat it like a drum like this, okay? And just throw it into the air. A very easy way of doing it is if you literally pull your strings apart, so it's not like that, and then it should come back down like see how it goes that way, right? The easiest way to throw it is literally pull your strings apart like that. It just goes straight up and back down to where you've thrown it from, yeah? Yeah, like that. Keep going. Some sometimes you have to follow it round so it starts to spin. And then that's when you start like beating it like a drum. That's okay, it takes a little practice to get it used to like spinning it.
Throw catch, you could
You can like hold it. Really well as on the chin, a little bit. Like try and do it. Do you want to roll it to the level of the floor first and roll it in?
Huh?
Balance stuff on your chin, can't you?
So right, and then keep it all
see them. You will. Make sure it's in the middle.
Get one, this one, there we go. Beep, beep, beep. There we go, you got it first time that time. So it starts to lean forward a little, so then you tip one of your sticks a little back. There we go.
Are you going to make a jump?
Oh,
Hey!
well done!
Bit for you. Yeah, get it going. Just get it. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Keep going.
Can I do it? Or is it now?
Huh? There you are.